Birmingham wheels, and we're going to go do some drifting. Hopefully a little bit faster than last time. It's a mission. We've got about 2.5 hours to go. Just in case we've got some washing up to do. Might as well. Throttle's getting stuck. Yeah, we're at Birmingham wheels. Basically, yeah, at the moment the Chaser, oh, one sec. Very noisy. The Chaser brakes, fuck's sake. For some reason my brakes on the Chaser, the rear brakes are seized. Probably because I don't know how to drive properly. But yeah, we're letting the brakes cool down. You saw me do some pretty weak skids over at Birmingham wheels. Since then we've had the car fully painted. So yeah, quick walk around and I'll show you what's been done. Yeah, first thing we have very yummy solid side skirts. Probably regret that when they fly off. We finally had the front splitter fitted, which I know a lot of you were complaining about because it did look like a Toyota Camry. So yeah, Front split has all been nicely done. What else we had done, Bill? Obviously wings have all been painted. Looking pretty. Side skirt sorted obviously on this side. And then we've had all the arches flared and painted so they're nice and smooth. I've got a drift day this Saturday, so I'm probably going to ruin it. So yeah, I apologise in advance if I do fucking destroy what we've just done. But yeah, at least it's pretty now. Shut up! So yeah, anyway, the saga continues. We seem to have a little problem, don't we, bud? Yeah, the gearbox, well, I don't know what the fuck's going on really. It's not going into gear basically. Get my fucking seat. But for some reason today it started making a lot of very strange noises. So yeah, try and go for first. So yeah, as you can see, we're having a few issues. Yeah, anyway, the only way to get it in the gear is like this. Oh my god, that's horrible. So anyway, yeah, we're going off to see Dale at Drift Factory. Hopefully we can find out what's going on, but yeah, I've got a drift night on drift day on Saturday, so yeah, fingers crossed we can make it. Come on, give us a hand. Drift car. I've just bought a drift car. Another drift car.